Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for the most stunning salt and pepper grinder set? I really love this one by UNIOVC. This is their acacia wood salt and pepper mill. This is a manual set, very easy to use. I also like that you can see the grain. It has a beautiful different color variation, and I like the texture as well. It makes it easy to grab. If you're clumsy like me, you can get a good grip. And the coarseness of the salt is definitely controllable. If you turn it clockwise, you'll get that fine grind. If you turn it counterclockwise, you'll get a nice coarse grind. It's very striking, so elegant, and it has a simple S and P engraving on the top, so you can identify quickly which is which. But you don't have to leave it to just that. You can experiment with all kinds of spices. I personally like using Himalayan salts too, or with my pepper, I can use a black pepper and a white pepper, the whole ground, and then it grinds it up together. I really love how beautiful this is, how functional it is, and quick and easy to use. So I can get the desired salt in a quick time. The base is really cute as well and keeps everything tidy. And these are really nice to fill, not hard at all. Easy to take that knob off, twist it off, pull off the top. And then when you're all done, if there is a little extra debris, the bottom catches it. All of their items from this brand, their salt and pepper shakers, are amazing.
I love these, but that's just my point of view.